Eh, sa'yo nga'y maliit eh. Parang liit ng langgam.
Jace, brainless ka talaga.
Eh di, bakit ako honors na yun at kayo hindi? At
Alam
kung
mo, Jace,
sinabi niyo na huhula ako, ibig sabihin walang katulad.
alam mo, Jace, kasing taba
to?
mo, yung mga tao, tinatago yung pagkain nila.
Y'all
Kasing,
just yap. I mean,
kasing taba
what the
mo,
fuck?
yung mga tao, akala ikaw ba si Pluto?
Ikaw nga, si Jupiter eh.
Sabi ni Blue's Clues, di alam ano yung iniisip mo sa utak mo.
Inisip ko nga din na bakit ka nabubuhay sa buhay ko.
Iniisip ko nga, bakit ka nagnunumbol?
Inisip ko nga na bakit ka nandito sa Earth na to at bakit ikaw ginawa.
Eto, bakit yung dirty-minded ka dito?
Anong dirty-minded? Ikaw ngayon.
Tuntukan pa tayo sa labas pa, oh. Sa Eres.
O sige, anong oras? Sige, anong oras? Sige.
Hanggang tumain ng tatay at nanay mo. Tatay sila mamaya.
O sige nga. Sige. Sige.
Sabi mo
Hindi
pa
naman
ng...
sila tumatay. Makain lang yung mga magulang mo sa mukha mo para makita mo yung totoo.
Mama mo, floor walk. Pati sabi ng YouTuber, ayaw nga i-shoutout ka kasi masisira yung cellphone nila.
Wait lang. Man, fuck you. What was that again? Speed.
Tumatapon ka sa... Pakita mo saan yung pepe ng nanay mo.
Yeah, in the entire time I'm recording.
Kita ko yung basurahan. Sa puto agad. Kamo yan eh.
Bro, guys, I was recording all the time.
Mga buwisit
What?
kayo! Hindi lang ako.
Wait, what I do?
Kahit anong kulay
Oh,
natin,
ano ginawa ni
nasa
Kuya?
puso. Ha?
Bakit mo na siya
Isipin mo yan. Mga tarantado!
Liam, ba't? Oy, loko, ba't mo inatak si Liam?
I was recording.
Baka jowa
Like I
kita.
said, it's YouTube.
Liam was recording all of this.
Eh, bakit ka umuusap sa akin, Jace? Jowa ba kita? Oh, yeah.
Kung jowa mo
Mama
ako,
mo
edi bakla
walang
ka.
panty, gumagamit ng plastic. Pagtatain ng tatay mo, gumagamit ng plastic para hugasin
Kumain ka
yung...
nga muna, mununod ako. Bobo ka, bobo ka, bobo ka.
Kahit magyap ka pa dyan, wala kang pake.
Ikaw nga, nagyayap na ako eh.
Ina mo,
Wala naman.
nagmumura. Parang toygan lang ikaw. Ina nyo!
Hoy, happy of the laughing and shut the hell up.
Wait lang, wag muna kayo musap. Kevin at Liam, kami muna.
Sige, go.
I'm recording.
Ina nyo. Ikaw pa, pati
Stop
pamilya mo.
recording!
Nagmumura ako parang dinosaur. Parang may marintek.
Close.
Naku, masakit na yung...
Oh, never mind.
Ang galing ng mga kaibigan ko, guys.
Mga tangina mo.
And bro,
Hindi na nga kita kilala kasi sabi ni God, who are you? He said, no. Pag hinawag ko titi mo, magtatakot ka pa, tumatakbo ka pa hanggang mamatay ka na.
Come on.
Kaya huminto ka na, baka bubugan pa.
what happened to everyone? Oh, it's back. Hello? Hello? Wait, oh.
Nigga, no, play that again.
Fuck you. What about tell that to your mom that you watch porn?
Let's post this to
Ano ginagawa ko yun? Before.
Why you show me your penis, Jace? It's because you love me?
I didn't even hear you. Is it playing notes down?
Tell that to your mom that you watch porn.
Mute the cord.
Let's talk about one. Hold it.
What the? So cold. What the? Why is everyone quiet?
Can I tell you something? Okay, never mind.
Kevin banned him already. I don't give a
What?
shit to his family.
And I don't give a shit about you.
At least I don't give a shit to your mom that he always watch porn with your
At
dad.
least I don't give a shit about you. Bro,
I
why
don't
did you
give a
close the
shit.
video? What in the hell did you close the video?
Yeah, I'm gonna
Bro, at least I didn't say the N word one time.
yeah, I'm gonna send this to
Buddy, you say the N-word all the time.
What about you better shut up, you asshole?
yeah.
Buddy? Yeah, you're an asshole, but ultra. Bro, who's this one?
Looks like I'm gonna stop the recording. Okay, this is that.
What happened?
Guys, leave the call.
What? Why though? Why?
Just leave the call.
I'm recording.
Bro, I need a reason.
I don't give a shit. Jace, find your own friend. We don't need you anymore.
Yeah, what the fuck, bro?
What do you mean, bro?
Bro, you don't even need us and you always bully us for no reason. And you swear at
What do you
us.
mean? I didn't even bully you this time, and this time you bullied me, dummy.
Then
And
why you
this
calling me a
time,
dummy?
you started it. You freaking started it. Once I
you know-
said a joke, y'all
Do you know what
completely
did your-
took after me.
Do you know what did your dad says? You said,
What?
why won't you adopt me? And your dad says, because you're black.
Nick, I'm not even black. I'm white.
Because you paint your skin color, asshole. You think this is Roblox.
Bro, I don't even play that much Roblox anymore.
Liam, leave. I said fucking leave.
Also have to leave.
Leave before
What?
I murder you.
Liam, leave!
Leave.
Liam, leave or he will murder you and I will get my real gun.
And I will suck your penis.
And I will suck your
Don't worry, believe me, I am recording for no reason.
What?
Go away before we... Go away.
Go before we have sex with your mom.
I just
No way, he's not. Liam, go away! Kill yourself!
Oh guys, can we just leave the
No,
server?
no, fun fact. Liam,
Guys, leave.
Liam,
Liam, leave, and I will leave.
and if you leave, we can all leave at the same time. Right, Noah?